Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to my channel Pre Cozy Corner, where I update weekly about how I make my life a cozy corner through the slow process of art and craft. Nothing like the fresh smell of coffee and the morning breeze. I'm going to be packing all the winter stuff today. I know I'm late. It's already summers here. Since we don't have much space, I like to pack my blankets inside these vacuum packs. I will put down the links in the description below. If you want, you can check it out. Seal it up nicely, and this is the machine which has the deflate valve, and it takes out all the air from inside, so it is compact and saves up a lot of space. The reason I said super summers because I have not stayed much in North India since a long time now. When I was a kid, we have stayed in Hisar and Jaipur at the max. In Bangalore or at my mom dad's place, that is east of India, the weather is almost constant. They don't have to pack their blankets for most of the season. And उनको इतने heavy blankets use करने की ज़रूरत भी नहीं पड़ती है. The stuffed toy which you see here, I'm going to be upcycling it so that it makes the space cozy and comfortable. I usually send my blankets or the winter wears for dry cleaning after a season, but the situation outside is quite bad and the gates are also closed. Maybe kuch time ke baad when things get better I can work on this. Till then, it's going to be inside the box. I know the house looks like a mess, but that's okay. It's on cleaning process. I'm sure you all also have a season change rituals. Do let me know in the comments below. It helps me to learn something new. I like to watch some videos on YouTube while I fold my clothes. The channels which I like to watch for slow living and tips for self-care, sustainable lifestyle, I will put down the links in the description below. Last year when I left my job, I shifted with Sumit. I didn't want to stay away from him in such situation. But when I was at home not doing a full-time job would always irritate me. As I've always been working, it was quite difficult for me. I started watching these channels and reading self-improvement books. It took me a few months to understand the art of enjoying small things in life. Like how the birds are singing out loud, it's a music by itself. And the smell of freshly washed clothes. I haven't washed these since a while. I think now is the good time to wash these.
Feel so fresh after taking the shower. Preparing for any kind of transition of seasons takes out so much of dirt and cleans out so many hidden places. So, as I was saying, I'll be taking that teddy bear, the soft toy, which I was telling you before, and reusing it to make it a cushion. And it's going to be a brutal process. Just preparing you guys. Let's do it.
Let's see, I have some stock of fabric at home. I didn't want to step outside, so decided that I will use whatever I have at home. Making the case for the cushion, मुझे इसके लिए एक light fabric चाहिए, that is sort of a malmal or a voile fabric. Let's take out the machine. I usually cover it up because of so much of dust over here. I started stitching when we were staying in a small place called Nagrota in Jammu. My ma noticed that I used to sketch dresses on my notebooks. It's nothing like I don't study. I did study. She realized that she should send me to see how the stitching happens. We used to have our 1 month break after the 10th boards, and my friends from school started preparing for computers. But my ma asked me, what do I want to do? Since then, I started stitching. It's always a good habit to trim the extra thread coming out, rather than keeping it for later. Let's start the operation. I'll need this filling for the cushion. Make sure there are no lumps in the polyfill. Then it will show outside on the cushion and it's gonna look very shabby. So what I'm trying to do here is separate each lumps nicely so it looks more fine. The filler is almost ready. I just need to stitch the end. As I said, I'm not going outside. I took out another fabric for the cushion cover. Even इसको भी मैं upscale करने की कोशिश कर रही हूँ. It's a very सस्ता fabric. Long back in Bangalore, I had a broken table. तो उसको cover करने के लिए I had bought this. Some $50 per meter. Cheap, na? Which one is a better match? Honestly, I'm not very sure how it's gonna come out. The cover is almost ready. Let's change the look of it now, give it a twist. What I'm trying to do here is make tassels. Tassels were quite in trend some time back, but for me it's always in. I like it a lot. Zara always finishes her treat fast and then keep looking at Pari. She's a slow eater. I am taking out thread from X side, so we have X and Y zone, that is warp and weft, on the fabric. We take out either one side so that the other side remains for making the tassel. While working on any task which is as slow as this, a lot of thoughts come to my mind, and that time is the time which I give to myself. It always teaches me to have patience. In this fast world, people are always on hurry for quick results. Fat, 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 I want this right now. So, we are losing out of patience. To have a peaceful life, patience is a most important component. So to conceal the edges, I tied the knots and it's almost ready. I just need to trim the edges and it will be ready. I couldn't finish it yesterday. It was already evening and we started watching Netflix. And I didn't want to spoil my cushion cover or spoil the moment of watching movie with Sumit. I like to believe doing two tasks in a moment doesn't let you enjoy the whole process of it. As they say, if you put your heart and soul to one thing, the results are always quite right. These are the cushion covers I had bought from Okhaya organization. Really love their home collection. Everything is handmade and sustainable, eco-friendly, and it's for a good cause. They employ so many of rural artisans. I will put down the link of their website in the description below if you want to check it out. My cushion cover with the tassel is looking quite good. And if you think the video was useful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe the channel. It helps the channel to grow. Now I'm going to sit back and relax, read my book, spend some time with Zara. See you all in the next video. Till then, please be safe and stay at home.